If you're building a personal expense tracker in ASP.NET Core, here's what to include in your data models. No code, just structure and clean planning. Let's start with the user model. Even if it's a single user app, having a user entity lets you add authentication later. Include fields like ID, username, email, password hash, and created at. Add navigation properties for expenses, categories, budgets, and recurring expenses. Next is the category model. Each expense belongs to a category, like food, rent, or entertainment. Include fields like ID, name, icon, is default, and a user ID if it's user customizable. Set up navigation to expenses and budgets. Now the core, the expense model. Track amount, description, date, payment method, created at, category ID, and user ID. Use navigation properties to link to the category and user. Add a budget model if you want spending limits. Include monthly limit, category ID, user ID, and created at. And for subscriptions or regular payments, a recurring expense model helps. Include amount, description, start date, frequency, like monthly or weekly, is active, category ID, and user ID. A few best practices: use enums for frequency and payment method. Keep navigation properties virtual for entity framework. And always separate your core models from DTOs and view models. This structure keeps your ASP.NET app clean, scalable, and beginner-friendly. Focus on relationships, navigation, and future-proofing your data. Plan smart, then code clean.